For the 2022 model year, Audi has significantly expanded its electric vehicle offerings while at the same time introducing an all-new bread-and-butter A3 model with a gasoline-fueled drivetrain. By the end of 2022, Audi plans to offer 8 different lines of vehicles that are available with either a gas or an electric drivetrain. By 2022, said Audi of America President Daniel Weissland as he unveiled the new strategy today, Audi will be the most accommodating car company on earth. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite car channel. Before we dive properly into the main topic at hand, simply click on the subscribe button for more content like this. Also, you may want to turn on the notification bell to easily find out when we upload another cool video. Now let's go! Audi is also expanding its dealership network by 50% to support this broader lineup. They are thinking big. According to the company, this expansion will ensure that no matter where you live in the US, you'll never be more than 15 minutes away from an Audi dealership where you can experience our products and services firsthand. Of course, there's no such thing as a free lunch. To make room for all these new models in dealerships, Audi is phasing out several older models whose sales have been flagging for some time now. The models being prepared to launch in 2022 include the Audi e-TRON GT, RS e-TRON GT, Q4 e-TRON, and the Q4 e-TRON SPORTBACK. Audi is expanding its electric vehicle or EV offerings to also include the new A8, the flagship of its lineup. The new A8 is priced similarly to the current version and will offer more standard features. The automaker is also launching an all-new crossover, the Q8, which will slot in below the current Q7 model and will be available for either a gasoline or electric powertrain too. The 2018 Audi A3 sedan will also be offered in a gasoline-fueled version for the first time since the car was introduced as a 2012 model. It had previously been available only with an electric motor. Gasoline-powered versions of the A3 will be priced lower than their electric counterparts to better compete with other entry-level luxury cars from BMW and Mercedes-Benz, says Audi. We expect these moves to give our sales a nice boost, according to an Audi spokesperson. With more than 20% of our models now offering some form of electrification, we're well positioned to tap into growing consumer demand for gas-free transportation. The 2022 model year also sees significant changes to some existing models. The Q5 SUV gets a new front fascia, while high fuel prices spur consumers toward larger vehicles. The German luxury brands are still playing catch-up to Tesla, which sold about 84,000 vehicles globally last year. But Audi appears determined to narrow the gap as quickly as possible. The company has already announced 5 new electric models for the next 2 years, more than Tesla has ever brought to the market in such a short period. And if Audi's plans come together on schedule, the company will have 25 EVs in its lineup by 2025, more than any other automaker. You might be asking what these changes are. Well, Audi's adding 6 new models to its 2022 lineup, which includes the e-TRON SPORTBACK, a long wheelbase version of the A3 and the A2. The addition of these models expands Audi's electric vehicle portfolio, which will soon include 14 electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids. The 2022 Audi S8 will be powered by 2 electric motors that total 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. When equipped with a level 2 charger, it takes just 10 minutes to charge the battery up to 80% capacity. The range varies between 30 miles and 62 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. The 2022 Audi SQ4 e-TRON is also expected to have an 80 kilowatt-hour battery with an estimated range of 37 miles on just electricity alone. It effectively combines performance and functionality, offering an impressive 354 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque from its 2 electric motors. This e-TRON pairs a 204 horsepower turbocharged with an electric motor for system output. Audi is also adding a plug-in hybrid version of its A3 compact car, which will be followed by a plug-in hybrid version of the next generation A4 sedan. Both will be offered sometime in 2021 and substantially increase the electric range of Audi standard models. The A4 will come with a fuel-saving 48-volt electrical system intended to boost efficiency. Audi also plans to add e-TRON versions of its Q5 crossover and next-generation Q7 SUV sometime during the 2020s. To meet tougher European Union emission standards, starting in 2021, all new Audis will use engines that will be smaller and more efficient than those found in current models. The additional new models are part of Audi's commitment to achieving net carbon dioxide neutrality by 2050. The German automaker already sells several plug-in hybrid models and has set up a subsidiary, E-TRON nameplate, to design and build these new electric cars. Now let's meet the sedans. The all-new Audi A3, S3, and RS3 sedans benefit from even greater driving dynamics. The A3 and S3 are equipped with a 48-volt electrical system which charges itself while driving, even down to a rolling stop. The 2.0 TFSI driver's assistance systems optimally control the flow of power between the engine and electric motor through the integrated start-stop function. Together, these systems allow energy to be recuperated during braking or coasting, which in turn increases efficiency during everyday driving conditions. The Audi S3 is one of the most exciting models in this lineup. This two-door, four-seat performance sedan offers a combination of hardcore enthusiast performance and everyday comfort. The high-performance engine delivers 401 horsepower, while the advanced all-wheel drive system covers you in practically any kind of road condition. The electrical system here provides additional torque on demand and also allows for coasting for increased fuel efficiency. The Quattro is redesigned to be more efficient and more capable, making it a true driver's car. The biggest changes are found up front though, a new grille and headlights, both connected to your phone, as well as an entirely new interface. The A4 is Audi's entry-level sedan, and it has a few substantive changes for the 2022 year model. A black optic appearance package is optional on the 2.0T base model. Visually, this will include larger upper and lower grille openings, with chrome trim now limited to the top grille opening only. This changes the look of a car to a more menacing machine. The high-performance S sedan returns for 2022 too, with the upgraded 2.8 FSI engine and a redesigned dash as its most significant changes. A new sunroof is standard, and available features include carbon inlays that surround the dashboard. The E-TRON SUVs. The E-TRON line of battery electric vehicles returns largely unchanged for 2022 except for package changes. The E-TRON S models employ two electric motors on the rear axle and a single, more powerful motor on the front axle, all integrated into an advanced chassis with a lightweight, multi-material body. The combination results in dynamic handling and an effective top speed of 120 miles per hour or 193 kilometers per hour. The Audi e-tron and Audi e-tron Sportback SUV models return largely unchanged for 2022, except for package changes with a maximum output of 500 horsepower. For new features of the new Q3, the next generation has an MIB3 infotainment system where you'll be able to enjoy a better connected driving experience that allows you to stay informed and in touch at all times. Featuring the latest technology like a surround view camera and Connect apps, it integrates your smartphone seamlessly with your car. Plus a battery of advanced driver assistance systems including blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert can help you stay safer on the road. So what are the changes made to the R8? In 2017, the Audi R8 is available in Coupe, SPYDER, and V10 Plus variations. All versions have the same 471 HP 5.2-liter V10 engine, but the V10 Plus gets a lightweight titanium exhaust system that cuts weight over the standard system. The R8 has an all-wheel drive as standard with hydraulic torque vectoring for superior cornering and handling performance, plus a carbon fiber rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and special wheels. It also comes with newly redesigned front fenders to accommodate the optional Porsche-style matrix LED headlights. The 2022 Audi TT also makes a statement. This sporty coupe has sleek styling, innovative technology, and an impressive performance pedigree, all combined to create a driving experience like no other. The bronze package is available on the TTS trim level and includes a black optic exterior finish plus 20-inch bronze wheels, a Napa leather interior with bronze-colored accents, and a dark slate gray headliner. The single-frame grille, aluminum look skid plate, and gray end caps complete the look. With that, we come to the end of today's show. Amazing, right? Tell us what you think in the comment section and which of these upgrades intrigued you the most. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get notified immediately when a new video is out. See you in the next video.